In a world pulsing with data where every click leaves a trace, something new is awakening. Intelligence that listens, learns, and evolves. Technology races ahead. More systems, more speed, more noise. Innovation moves faster than ever, and so do its challenges. We built incredible tools, but complexity took over. Too much data, too little clarity. People began to drown in the systems they created. Businesses now face an invisible weight. Scattered workflows, endless dashboards, and the pressure to keep up. Productivity costs focus. Focus costs peace. Then comes silence, a moment of reflection. What if the answer isn't more technology, but better understanding? From that spark comes intelligence that works with you, not against you. Simple, aware, designed for humans. Structure follows. Systems that think, adapt, and simplify every layer of your business. It's no longer man versus machine. It's human plus helper. Creativity powered by clarity. Tasks once overwhelming now flow effortlessly. Progress feels natural again. This is intelligence with intention. Technology that serves people, not replaces them. Every action is transparent, every connection protected, because trust isn't built on power, it's built on ethics. When technology aligns with purpose, growth becomes effortless. Teams create, people thrive. At Carefree Computing and Aivorys Plus, we believe the future isn't about replacing humans, it's about amplifying them. Smarter systems, simpler lives. Technology that works for you, not against you. The future belongs to those who build it with wisdom, empathy, and trust. Like the video and comment your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified and never miss an update.